Okay guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. So today I have two interesting news for OnePlus users. One is layer 2, OxygenOS 17, and the second one is layer 2, a AI service which is coming on OnePlus smartphones. Those things I'll tell you at the end of this video, but before that let's talk about two of the underrated features which OnePlus have added on OnePlus smartphone with OxygenOS 16.1. So currently I'm using my OnePlus 13 which is running OxygenOS 16.1, and guys, we have created a community post for an in-depth review video of OnePlus 12 wherein we are testing OxygenOS 16.1. So if you have OnePlus 12, let me know on which particular topic we need to focus on. But guys, before moving ahead, if you guys find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So first, let's talk about those two underrated features which were recently added on OnePlus smartphone. I'm not exactly sure whether they'll be coming to all the OnePlus smartphones, but particularly on OnePlus flagship smartphones, they have been added. And first one is the document scanner feature, which you can find in the camera application. After 16.1, it got a lot of new things. You guys let me know in the comment section below if your device have document scanner in the camera application or not. So once you open the document scanner, so either you can scan the document or you have an option to upload the document. If you have any files present inside your phone storage, you can also import those files and scan them. You can also combine them. But here, let me show you some interesting things what you guys get to see after the update of OxygenOS 16.1. First, let's take normal document scanning. So here I have a document present on the screen. What I'll do, I'll just adjust the phone, tapping on it, it will be captured. If you want more photos to be captured, that can also be done. So I'll select another photo, and if you see here, it doesn't take much of time. Soon I capture, the photo gets added over here, and let's move it to another page. So I'll select this one, and now if I tap on this arrow icon, AI will analyze the entire data and give you options to change things like color, keep it original, grayscale, and they have also given some AI features. One more thing which I would like to show you guys. So for example, if I am holding any document like this, and if I click a picture, and now if I again tap on this next button, you can see on this particular page I had my finger. So I'll just tap on compare to show you guys. You can see the finger automatically was removed using AI. So this is one interesting thing which recently have been added with OxygenOS 16.1. After that, you go to AI extract. You can see that text have been extracted properly from that particular image, and it's not like it has only extracted the text, and even the lines have been extracted. If you want, you can export to Word. If you want to copy and paste somewhere else, that can also be done. They have also added features like you can unblur the photo, remove glare, and also remove shadows. After that, I'll take another example wherein I have a box of power bank. If I click a photo here, tap on next, go into AI extract, you can see the table have also been extracted from that particular image. So with this latest update of document scanner, you can also extract the tables from the images along with the other things like images, barcode scanner, and the text. Also, everything now gets saved into document application. So if I tap on view document, here we have the document application in which I have all the scans, tables, or the text we have extracted. So it's a very useful feature what OnePlus have added. You guys let me know in the comment section below, do you guys any third-party application or you use the document scanner feature present here on OnePlus smartphones? I mean inside the application. After that, the next underrated feature is the newer version of translate application. So for example, if you're traveling abroad and if you see any menu in a different language, you can just open this translate application, click a photo. Now AI will automatically analyze the entire data present here which was written in different language. In our case, it's written in Chinese language. And once the processing is completed, you can just tap on view. Here now AI will generate all the images of dishes which were present in that particular menu. Also, you will see towards the top side it says generated by AI, actual dishes may differ. And you'll also get categories. If there are any juice options available, that will be displayed here, like depending on what all food items are present in that particular menu. And after that, you can see all the images have been created. You have the pricing in Indian rupees. You can add any of them and just tap on this option called show to staff. You can just show to the staff, and if he's not able to read this, you can also tap on listen so that staff can listen what order you are placing. So a very handy feature which can be really useful while traveling, and it can also be used in the airlines while flying where we don't have internet connection, because this feature also lets you convert text offline. But make sure before that you tap on the setting icon and tap on download offline packages. I've already downloaded an offline package, so if you are traveling somewhere, make sure you download the offline packages. And now talking about that AI service and OxygenOS 17. So first let's talk about the AI service. So inside the AI Play Lab, if you open it, you'll see a new option called Cloud Buddy is here. You need to apply for the beta testing program. I've already applied. Let's wait and watch when we'll get the APK file. Basically, it's a task assistant which can organize your phone, handle messages, manage schedules, and can get information. After that, the next preview shows complete phone tasks like tidy home screen, search for personal information, and you'll also be able to adjust the settings. Like Samsung, it will also provide you briefing, work support, and it will also keep you updated with the news and other stuff. It can also handle your messages messages faster, like unread summaries, smart reply, translate content. And it can also do things like deep research or run automated tasks on schedule. So there are a lot of features which will be coming with this Claw Buddy. Once I get this application, I'll do a dedicated video on this. Now talking about OxygenOS 17, and guys, we are not too far away for the open beta program. As per the leaks of ColorOS 17, it is expected to bring one of the biggest visual redesign in recent years. And according to early leaks and feedbacks from Chinese tester, Oppo is working on stronger liquid style effect with enhanced transparency, blur, depth and reflection across the UI. So it's confirmed that liquid glass design is coming to OnePlus smartphones with OxygenOS 17. And also here you can take a look at the animation on ColorOS 17. They are very eye pleasing and super fluid. Open beta might roll out in the starting of August, because generally July the closed beta program ends and mostly August will start seeing the open beta builds. And guys, are you excited about OxygenOS 17 for your OnePlus smartphones? Let us know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.